2026 Honda S2000 is making an exciting return to the sports car world, bringing back one of Honda's most iconic performance vehicles. Designed for driving enthusiasts in the United States, the new S2000 combines modern technology, powerful performance, and sleek styling. This model is expected to deliver the same thrilling driving experience that made the original S2000 famous, while adding improved comfort, safety, and efficiency. It is built for drivers who want speed, reliability, and everyday usability in one stylish package. Exterior details, design, and styling. The exterior of the 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to feature a bold and sporty design that stands out on the road. The car will likely have a low and wide stance, giving it an aggressive performance look. At the front, sharp LED headlights and a modern grille design will create a futuristic appearance, while large air vents help improve engine cooling and aerodynamics. The body lines are expected to be smooth and aerodynamic, reducing wind resistance and improving performance at high speeds. At the rear, the vehicle may include sleek taillights, a sporty diffuser, and dual exhaust pipes that emphasize its racing heritage. The lightweight convertible roof will allow drivers to quickly switch between closed and open driving, making the car perfect for both daily use and weekend adventures. Interior features, comfort, and cabin design. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Honda S2000 is designed to provide comfort while maintaining a sporty feel. The seats are expected to be made from high-quality materials such as leather or performance fabric, offering strong support during fast driving. The interior layout will likely focus on the driver, ensuring that all controls are within easy reach. Soft touch materials, stylish stitching, and modern trim elements will create a premium atmosphere. Despite being a compact sports car, the S2000 will still provide enough storage space for small bags and everyday items. Climate control systems will help maintain a comfortable temperature in all weather conditions. Dashboard technology, infotainment, and connectivity. The dashboard of the 2026 Honda S2000 will likely feature advanced technology designed to keep drivers connected and informed. A digital instrument cluster is expected to display important information such as speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and navigation directions. A large touchscreen infotainment system will provide access to entertainment and communication features. Drivers will be able to connect their smartphones using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, allowing them to make calls, listen to music, and use navigation apps easily. Voice control and Bluetooth connectivity will also improve convenience and safety while driving. Engine performance, power, and driving experience. Performance is the heart of the 2026 Honda S2000, and this model is expected to deliver impressive power. The car will likely be equipped with a turbocharged 2-liter four-cylinder engine capable of producing approximately 300 to 350 horsepower. This powerful engine will allow the vehicle to accelerate quickly and provide a thrilling driving experience. The S2000 is expected to maintain its rear-wheel drive layout, which improves balance and handling. Drivers may have the option to choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for maximum control or an automatic transmission for easier everyday driving. The suspension system will be tuned for precise steering and excellent cornering performance. Fuel efficiency, mileage, and economy. Even though it is a sports car, the 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to offer respectable fuel efficiency. The vehicle may achieve around 24 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Honda engineers are expected to focus on improving fuel economy through advanced engine technology and lightweight construction. This means drivers can enjoy strong performance without sacrificing efficiency, making the car suitable for both daily commuting and long road trips. Safety features, protection, and driver assistance. Safety is an important part of the 2026 Honda S2000, and the vehicle is expected to include modern driver assistance technologies. Features may include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The car will likely be built with a strong body structure designed to protect passengers in case of a collision. Multiple airbags, traction control, and stability control systems will help keep the vehicle stable and secure in different driving conditions. Models and trims. Available versions. The 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to be offered in multiple trim levels to suit different types of drivers. The base model will likely focus on performance and affordability, providing essential features at a competitive price. Higher trim levels may include premium interior materials, larger wheels, advanced suspension systems, and additional technology features. A performance-oriented version could also be released, offering enhanced power and sport, tuned components for drivers who want maximum performance. Price in the United States. Expected cost. The starting price of the 2026 Honda S2000 in the United States is expected to be between $45,000 and $55,000, depending on the model and features. Higher performance versions with additional equipment could reach around $60,000. This price range would position the car competitively against other sports cars in its segment while still offering strong value for money. Conclusion. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to be a powerful comeback for one of Honda's most beloved sports cars. With modern design, advanced technology, and exciting performance, it has the potential to attract both longtime fans and new buyers. Whether used for daily driving or weekend adventures, the new S2000 is designed to deliver a thrilling and enjoyable driving experience.